Hey everyone. I wanted to pop in with all of you today to talk a little bit about play versus joyful play and what the difference is. Right now, we are in it. We've gone through the eclipse, we're in Mercury retrograde. If you have kids, it's the end of the year, and I've got teenagers that are in high school, but this time of year, and it's, I think it's even worse if you have young kids that you're trying to scramble and find things for them to do over the summer. But it kind of gets compressed trying to get everything done by the end of the school year. And I feel like we're in this push, stop, push, stop, push, stop feeling right now. And as we begin to move into the summer season and our rhythms are going to change, we're kind of in this place of we had a nice rhythm going, hopefully, and now it kind of got compressed. There's a lot going on as we begin to transition into our summer. And in that tradition, and whether you have kids or not, you're still in this transition for summer because it's a totally different feel than we've been in. And this transitional period is when you want to start looking at your rhythm and how is your rhythm going to flow and how are you going to take care of you? Because right now, there's so much going on that you may be taking care of a lot of people and doing a lot, and you're falling to the bottom of your priority list. And I want to help you push yourself back up to the top of that priority list. This is the place you want to be. It's absolutely critical. Otherwise, you're not going to have the stamina, the energy, the vitality to do the things you want to do in the way that you want to do them, and to serve the people in your life in the way you want to serve, not to mention your health. Your health is so important. If we don't have that, we don't have anything. So in order to take care of that, we want to be able to practice joyful play. And as we head into the summer, we're going to be playing a lot. And I want to give you a distinction between play and joyful play. When we're in play, we have a great time. It's fun. There's so much we can be doing, and we're playing with people. And one of the things I absolutely love to do in the summer, and it's definitely play for me, is I love to hike. And we hike a lot as a family. But when I hike with my family, it's joyful because I'm with the kids and the dogs. But generally, we do a hike, and it's steep and it's long and it's beautiful. And we stop somewhere, we have lunch. But by the time we're done doing this, 6, 7, 8 mile hike, at the end of the day, I am wiped out. We had a great time. It was fun. I got great exercise. It was great for my body, but I am wiped out. I have to recover from my play. And we all have different types. And I was talking to an amazing friend who went in on a trip this weekend, and she had a blast. It was like, she said, one of the best weekends ever. And she got home from this trip and she was exhausted. And it took her a day to recover. And that's what we need to be aware of. That's play. Play is exciting. It's fun. We have a great time, but it doesn't necessarily feed our soul and fill our cup up. Joyful play does that. That's the difference. And I'll give you the hiking example again. Sometimes when I go for a hike, and I can go with a friend or sometimes by myself, and I can go at my own pace, and I'm with my own thoughts, and I can listen, and it's quiet. It feeds my soul. I can go and go and go and get back, and I'm energized. I'm filled up. My cup's full, and I don't have to recover from it. That is joyful play. And a lot of times our joyful play ends up being more of a going within, a listening. I find it very common for people to discover that part of their joyful play, an element, and it's I teach you how to bring out these elements, but an element in it is stillness, is being able to come back to ourselves and find that doesn't even have to be long, 10, 15 minutes, to just kind of stop, pause, get present in the moment, and feel. Joyful play can be a discovery. I like to say it's a journey. It's a journey of self-discovery. It's the inner work that can get sticky and messy at times because we're bumping up against subconscious patterns and beliefs, and we're clearing those for different patterns and beliefs that support us better now. It's a practice. It's finding that 5, 10, 15-minute joyful play that you can pepper throughout your day to keep you energized, to keep you fulfilled without going to coffee or sugar. This is a practice that feeds your soul and keeps you there. And then I'd like to say it's also a state of being. It's learning how to bring that spirit of play into everything you do. So you keep your vibration high, you stay light. And there's a lot of serious stuff going on right now, and that's okay. You can still, you want to stay within yourself. You want to stay high with everything right now and bring in that spirit of play, because that is going to serve you best. And when you serve you best, you're serving everybody best. It's coming into that and loving yourself, that self-love. And when you can do that, you bless everybody around you with that. It serves everyone. So I invite you, if you're hearing this and you're thinking, what is joyful play? How do I get started? I have a free playbook on my website at lorirubenstein.com. We'll have it below this video, or if you're getting this video in my newsletter, go to the website. We'll put a link in there and download the playbook. And with that playbook, you'll get 5 emails that help walk through it with you so that you can begin to step into the journey of self-discovery. So I hope your summer is wonderful. I will be gone 3 weeks in June, so there won't be a lot going out from me, except maybe on Instagram. And you can check out my Instagram at Joyful Play RX. So I look forward to seeing you again and hearing from you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.